Good morning, day 9. How exciting. Knock knock breakfast. I see I got it right this morning, tea and milk. Oh, it's warm. It's warm. I think it's bacon and eggs. Lovely. Slightly better than that porridge yesterday. Some fruit. And my usual Just Juice. Alright. Thanks for that. We'll talk soon. Well, here we go. As I was saying yesterday in the video, here's my bag of laundry. The name on it, pink slip. This is it. So you just stick that out by the door and pops up the next day, same day. Fantastic service. Alright, we'll talk soon. Well, good afternoon. Day 9, lunchtime at the penitentiary. Also, I've asked for some tea and sugar, and they send up a bag with enough sugar to make a pavlova. But anyway, let's see what we've got for lunch. A nice cake. Another apple. It's warm. Oh, look at this. Potato and mash. Marvellous. Alright, get into that and we'll talk soon. Well, good afternoon on day 9 Friday. I think I just heard a little knock at the door. So we'll just go and see what's going on. What the? Ken, put some pants on. Stop brushing your teeth all night, for God's sake. Alright, let's just see what's going on. Oh, look at this. A beer. Cheers to your last day, your last Friday in isolation. Yay! Ken, hurry up. Isn't this nice? Cheers to your last Friday in isolation. How wonderful. Nice Stella Artois. Alright, we'll enjoy that with dinner. Talk soon. Knock knock. Dinner day 9. What have we got? Oh, that looks like a fancy little dessert. The old cardboard box. How many of these are going to get? Oh. That looks like mash, spinach, beans, mushrooms on a little bit of, I think it's lamb rump. Right, get into that. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon. Well, good evening on day 9 isolation. That's dinner done and dusted. Enjoyed my Stella Artois, which was very nice of them. Now, today wasn't that exciting really. We didn't have a lot going on. Not much happened. Had a 30-minute exercise, a couple of 10-minute breaks, but something quite exciting is going to be happening soon here in isolation, which I'll talk about now. Actually, look, I might have to wait till tomorrow. I think someone's knocking on the door, but anyway, look, I'll get back to you tomorrow. I will, and I'll tell you all about it. Alright, talk soon. We'll talk tomorrow.